I don't know if we'll get tested on sums and differences of cubes, so we'll just talk briefly about section 6.6. Sum and difference of cubes. So we notice that if we had x cubed minus 8, and we wanted to factor that, we notice a reasonable guess might be a factor of x minus 2. And then we want to know what could we multiply that by to get x cubed minus 8. We can make a guess that we need an x squared. We notice that we then get x times x squared equals x cubed, so that's good. But we also get negative 2 times x squared, and you notice that there's no negative 2x squared in the original polynomial. And so you notice we would need to subtract 2x, add 2x, so that we would get x times 2x is 2x squared, but then we would end up getting negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. Again, there's no negative 4x, and so we could try adding 4, so we can then add x times 4, and then we would end up getting minus 2 times 4 is negative 8. And we notice we wanted x cubed minus 8. And so you notice the quantity x minus 2 times the quantity x squared plus 2x plus 4 gives us x cubed minus 8. And so what we're going to notice in general is that a cubed minus b cubed is going to factor as the quantity a minus b times the quantity a squared plus ab plus b squared. And a neat quirk of that is that if you replace b with negative b, we would wind up getting a cubed plus b cubed equals the quantity a plus b times the quantity a squared minus ab plus b squared. So you notice we can't factor x squared plus y squared, but we can factor a cubed plus b cubed. And so we'll just do a couple examples of that. We notice that if we had x cubed minus 27, that would be x minus 3 times the quantity x squared plus 3x plus 9. If we had 8y cubed minus 1, we'd get, actually if we get 8y cubed plus 1, we'd get 2y plus 1 times 4y squared minus 2y plus 1. And we're noticing we're letting a be 2y, we're letting b equal 1, and we get 2y plus 1, a plus b, and then we get a squared is 4y squared, minus ab gives us the 2y, plus b squared gives us the 1. We'll try one more. If we looked at, oh, that's a neat one. If we looked at 8/27ths, plus m cubed, we notice that we have 2/3 being cubed plus m getting cubed, and so we're going to get 2/3 plus m, and then we're going to get 2/3 squared is 4/9 minus 2/3 of m plus m squared. We'll try one more. If we had 125w cubed minus z to the 9th, we have to be careful. We notice that we're looking at 5w being cubed minus z cubed getting cubed. And so we notice that we're going to get the quantity 5w minus z cubed times the quantity 5w, let's actually use brackets now, we're going to get that quantity 5w being squared plus 5w times z cubed plus z cubed getting squared. And so we notice if we simplify it, we're going to get 5w minus z cubed, and that's going to get multiplied by 25w squared plus 5 multiply it, we're going to add 5wz cubed, and then plus z to the 6th. And so we have our factorization.